When I tell y'all I just got the best stretch of my life, I just got the best stretch of my life.
Hey, Tami Goodwin here. Christopher and I, we are in Virginia. And we had to come out. Where did we come to?
Yeah, we came out the stretch zone. When I tell y'all I just got the best stretch of my life, I just got the best stretch of my life. Y'all need to go hit up Stretch Zone ASAP. ASAP. In Gainesville, Virginia.
You said Portia did your stretch.
Miss Portia did my stretch. When I tell you I'm feeling like a new person, I am feeling like a new person. Please. Y'all, like, this ain't no joke. This ain't no joke. I'm here right now. Look, post it up.
So you guys, you heard from him. Let me tell you, even if you're not older and you're younger, you don't understand how valuable it is to have your body stretched until you get it done. And I'm telling you, like, my son is 17 years old, and his range of his stretching range is very minimal.
Horrible. Like, I'm talking 80-year-old man, horrible.
Right. But now he's feeling good because he's able to get stretched. So we'll be back here one more time before we leave to get him stretched. So it is great. And I'm telling you guys, Stretch Zone. I'm going to show you where it is. You see this address? It's 7538 Limestone Drive in Gainesville, Virginia. You gotta come here. Guys, I'm telling you, you want to come on the Stretch Zone. Stretch Zone. You see it? Stretch, work, pay, repeat. You see that? Stretch Zone. And let me tell you, this is the place to be.